Hey guys, so this is the last day that we're able to live because the hurricane's coming.
Everybody's struggling. Let's all get our little pen and be like, welcome back to my channel.
What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so we're gonna try some candy or whatever. So we're gonna start eating.
Should we tell them how much we paid for it? It was like $500.
We paid $500 for these two bags and that corn candy corn.
No, this is literally cracked, but it died.
Hey guys, so we bought meth at the dollar store. She's kind of kind.
Is it good?
We're about to get
No. It tastes like straight up sugar.
tastes like straight up crack.
Yeah. Is it good? You taste the crack?
Bon appetit. I don't want that.
Yeah, me neither. Throw that shit out. We gotta save it for Hurricane Florence.
Oh yeah. Oh, this will be our last supper.
Yeah. So we're gonna write down like every single detail of the hurricane, and then y'all will see this in the textbook soon.
We're gonna go viral. And to all the people who didn't want to give us a ride here, y'all
Yeah.
paid. When we're swimming through the hurricane,
We're not
and
gonna
y'all
lend you our
can't swim,
floaties.
yeah, we not gonna help y'all. I can't even swim either, but I'm not gonna help you.
I'm eating this this headband. It's pretty good.
She a little shy.
Damn, look at our view.
These are the Appalachian Mountains right now, and this is the hurricane. Oh my god. Ariana Grande be like. As you guys can see, we are enjoying our last supper because we're about to die. We're about to die. And everybody's still coming to the mall. Right. Bitch is still pulling up. Next time I eat this out. Because that's all she takes. That's all I take. All I take are L's. Next I'm gonna eat is a D, because that's all I get. All I get is this. I'm gonna write my checklist of the things I need from Target. Bring floaties and goggles. No. Dear Diary, fuck Hurricane Florence. I'm gonna learn how to swim. ASAP. XOXO. Jazzy Panda J. Soldiers are recruiting back to the base. Florence. Back to the Florence. We pay respects. Help us. Alright. People are already filling up water bottles for Hurricane Florence.
He got his bathing suit on.
He got his bathing suit on. He is prepared.
Look how she's carrying him. Look how she...
So before Hurricane Florence comes, we're gonna ask a couple people some questions. Before Hurricane Florence comes, what is your favorite thing about Charlotte?
Chick-fil-A.
What do you like about Charlotte?
Nothing.
What do you like most about Charlotte?
I don't really be here like that.
She don't really be here like that.
I feel like that. Okay.
So hey Rihanna, what do you like most about Charlotte?
Ooh, that felt really nice.
Yes, definitely. Thank you.
Hurricane Florence comes. What's your favorite thing about Charlotte? Write it down.
We love that response. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So they don't forget about me.
Yeah. And we won't forget about you. We lost a brave soldier in the hurricane called Florence. R.I.P. to our brave soldier, Spanish Candy. Hey guys, so we're getting ready for this hurricane that's about to happen. First of all, we need sunscreen. We have to protect ourselves from the UV rays that are gonna hit us real hard. Because since we're going swimming, you already know.
No, bitch, I'm trying to get a tan.
True, we're trying to get tan, so you might have to use some sunbun. Anyways, everybody already stocked up on their cotton swabs, cotton pads, and Q-tips.
Now we gotta go look for the floaties.
Oh, true. Let's go look for the floaties. We have our essentials right here. We have hair dye, Vicks, and deodorant. Because that's
more important.
That's more important right now. Who needs food? We could just starve. We should probably get towels.
I'm trying to send my grandma a gift card before I die, you know?
True.
You know, she lives in El Salvador, so I'm gonna get her one to Disney. I don't think she'll be able to fly though.
Yeah, true.
So.
Should we get towels just in case, you know, we're kind of cold during the hurricane?
I know it's gonna be wet.
We're gonna be wet, so I think we should take some towels to dry off.
And a couple carpets.
Carpets. We don't want our floors to get wet. Yes, very cute. See, as you can tell, not a lot of people stocked up on their towels. I don't know why though, because we're all gonna be wet. Maybe they already have enough. I don't know about you, but I think that belongs to me. All right, let's go.
Papa bear, mama bear.
30% off. I kind of need that. Special occasion.
Trying to play in the sand too.
Oh, true.
With the grass.
Trying to play with this mud, this red clay.
Trying to make some pottery.
Look at us knowing our geographic.
Girl, I don't know what you're talking
Geography.
about, but I'm pretty sure that's like science.
I want to get these. They're only $2.48, and I really think that they will help me.
Those Googles.
These Googles. These Googles are gonna help. Pool floaties. Okay, I feel like maybe the popsicle one is more festive, but I don't know. I'm thinking the pineapple.
Well,
maybe the flamingo. Oh my god, this one will definitely work for the drinks that we'll have. for my waters.
The rainwater.
My rainwater. I need this just in case the helicopters want to find me.
You know, somebody said write your social security number on your hand so that they know who you are when you're dead. 5, 4, 3, 1 before I die.
One for my non-existent dad.
One for my neighbor. Okay, chill out.
Just a couple drinks. Yes.
Weak.
Literally what everybody left was like the vegan stuff. The organic
what is this?
Vegan stuff. Okay.
Wild rice.
Dang. They really left me with nothing. Oh my god.
Oh my god. That's crazy. I be here every day and it's never like this.
Oh, they left one chicken noodle soup there. At a cop. Do you want ravioli? From Chef Boyardee.
Did you have to cook that?
I don't know, but I think you can heat it up with the sun or something.
Girl, what sun?
Should we get soups? Dude, I'm actually scared of like canned soups.
Yeah.
All the bread is also gone.
Wow.
Wow.